Okay, this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I don't have a case on it. I had a case, but it turned yellow, so there's no chance I'm using that thing anymore. But now I have this, a high-end case. This one, now in light of the iPhone 17 coming out, this has the layout here like the iPhone 17, which is very interesting to me at least. And you'll see why it will make this almost look like an iPhone 17, but with another trick to its sleeve on this case, because this here is covered glass. Where the cameras peek through, it's actually covered in that one piece of glass. Just take this out and it will protect your cameras. Let me take this one out too. It's just a whole mirror here that you can use it for actually taking videos, so you can see kind of yourself on that mirror. And the camera covers are complete glass. That is nice. And inside has like a mesh, not mesh, but you know, that kind of texture. Open button for the camera function here, and the bottom grills for the speakers are actually covered. Look at that, with grills. So it has maximum protection, and this is really good. It has like a metallic color. The back is much stronger than the sides, obviously. The buttons feel really nice. This actually is gonna look good. Well, let's see, but just make sure before you put on, don't touch the inner side here, because that's actually glass covered for your cameras. And I see a speck of dust that I just created on it, and I'm gonna clean it really quick before I put my phone to be protected by this thing. Nice. I like that. This case, I wish I had it before I bought the other one that turned yellow. Oh wow, this actually looks premium. Look at that. And that's what I'm talking about on the back. It gets this kind of raised, but completely, just like the iPhone 17. That's really cool. And the cameras are not obstructed by that glass at all. You don't even know that glass is there. At that completely. Let me take a picture and go to the pictures. Can I zoom in if I see anything? No, it's just how it was. Now, does the magnet work? We don't know that, but I have a magnet here. It works. It's not as strong as it was with the original or without the case, but it works in a pinch. Don't expect the magnet to be super tough as if it was without it. Just that's one thing you have to watch out. It's gonna hold, obviously, but you know, don't take it for granted. And that's it. What else can I tell you? If you want that beauty, this one got it, and I don't know, you want that aesthetics that the iPhone 17 has, this is the only case you'll get close to it. That's very interesting, gotta say. That is very, very interesting. Oh, the camera is seeing the IR. And the buttons, very clicky. They did a good job on that one, in all sides. Really nice. Okay, well, besides that, what else do I tell you? It's just the iPhone 16 Pro Max case that makes it look like an iPhone 17, I guess. Hail Mary Machiavelli in the flesh. Not 17 yet. Not that rich. And we have a nice case that has like a textured body to look almost like carbon fiber, but it's not carbon fiber. It's like interesting. I don't know how what they put here, but I like this sleek design. And the back here with a ring that you can use it either to hold or to use it as a stand. And this is your magnet snap. It actually holds a lot, like a lot. But, and the grill on the bottom, really nice and protected. I like these little logos on the sides they put on the side. And the buttons, they're like that metallic color. Really cool. They designed this really nice, and it's raised here around the edge to protect your cameras just in case it falls. As you see, they're raised, and you'll see it that they're raised above the camera. And on the bottom here is raised just a little bit, so it kind of, when you put it on the table, it doesn't rock that much. Let me put the phone in and see how it goes actually with the phone. Oh, that was easy. Okay, yep, it's raised just a little bit over the screen too, just in case it falls on its face. And it looks premium. Gotta tell you, it has the looks. Look at that thing. And that's what I'm talking about. This one raises just a little bit over the camera. So as you see, just in case you drop it this way, the cameras will never touch the surface. That's the whole point of it, and it doesn't rock. because it's now one piece. That's the whole thing, unless you hit the corner here. But besides that, it's very balanced. And let me put this kickstand. Oh, that's actually really nice. So you can use it for a kickstand. Does it stay on the other side? Oh yeah, look at that. This is actually really cool. But can I pick the whole phone with a magnet now? That's an interesting thing here. Oh yeah, no problem. And it holds it really good. It actually holds almost too much. This is really nice, so you can use it however you wish to film and whatnot. This is really cool, gotta tell you. If you still have an iPhone 16 Pro Max, like I do, and I'll keep this phone for a while. I ain't upgrading right now anyway, because it's a beast of a phone. This case will make it look really, really cool, actually. I like that. That's nice. Okay, well, except the 2 cases for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. What else can I tell you? They have more, by the way. They have for 16, they have for 17 coming up. They have all kinds of cases that you can check and look at the buttons. They're very clicky, very, like, satisfactory clicky. I like that. And in the other side, of course, and I like that I can now actually tell where the buttons are, because this one is shorter and these are longer. So I can actually click the button and I know the difference. This is really nice. I like that. Really, really well designed.
In that backseat with that 30, it's just